Hello beautiful souls! In this tutorial, we will make the hardest necklace in the world. Now, I'm joking. We will actually be making a very easy choker necklace that is fully adjustable and you can make in under 2 minutes. First, you will need to pass your gemstone through your string, and then you will measure 5 centimeters of string to create your first sliding knot. You will make your first loop, then your second one, and you will pass the remaining string through both loops. Now that you have your first sliding knot, you will just make the second one. Again, you will measure 5 centimeters of cord, you will make your first loop, then your second one, and you will once more pass your string through both loops. Now that you have both of your sliding knots, you'll just need to cut the excess cord. And if you want, you can slightly burn the edges in order not to fray. And if you want, you can burn the knots to make sure they are secure. That step, it's not really necessary. Your gemstone necklace choker is now ready. You can wear it on its own or layer it with other pieces. I will add this gemstone choker necklace in one of my Etsy orders. To find out more, check the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!